Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ShipStation purchase order workflow for inventory control, full guide step by step. Start by logging into your ShipStation account. Navigate to the Orders tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Select Purchase Orders from the drop-down menu. Click on Create Purchase Order to initiate a new order. Fill in the necessary details such as supplier information and order date. Add line items by selecting products from your inventory. Specify quantities for each item based on your needs. Review the order for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on Save to create the purchase order. Next, navigate to the Receiving tab within the Purchase Orders section. Select the purchase order you just created. Click on Receive Items to process the incoming inventory. Verify the received quantities against the original purchase order. Adjust quantities if necessary to reflect the actual received items. After verifying, click on Complete Receiving to finalize the update. Lastly, return to your inventory to confirm that stock levels have been updated appropriately. Monitor inventory levels regularly to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Periodic audits of your purchase order workflow will help maintain control and prevent discrepancies. This guide ensures a streamlined process for inventory control using ShipStation's purchase order capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.